In this video, we're going to walk through how to integrate Google Sheets with Profit.co. When you integrate Google Sheets with your Profit.co platform, you'll be able to connect key results to specific cells from your Google Sheets, automatically updating your key results once every 24 hours. With this integration, you'll be able to simply access all updates you make on your spreadsheets directly from your key result check-in pop-up. This will eliminate the need to go back and forth between two platforms and keep your data up to date, accurate, and right where you need it. First, select the Preferences module, select Integrations, Spreadsheets, and find the Google Sheets icon. Press Manage and log into your Google account. Google will ask you to confirm what data Profit.co is accessing. The option to see and download all Google Drive files is so that Profit.co can connect key results to Google Sheets files stored in your drive. The option to view your Google Sheets is to view the values in the cells from the sheets and correctly update the corresponding key results. After you select Allow, your Google account will show up here. Now let's go to the All My OKRs page. Here, we'll create a new key result in the sales department for the OKR Grow Our Business. Let's create a key result to increase our revenue. In the step-by-step guide, we'll select Increase KPI and then search for the KPI value we'd like to measure. Let's use revenue. When prompted to input the current and goal value for revenue, ensure that the Auto Update toggle is on and select Google Spreadsheet. Ensure you're using the correct email and search for the spreadsheet you would like to use. Then, select the sheet and give the row and column number of the cell you would like to draw data from. Then, press Update. This will give you the exact value of the sales data, $20,000. Now that we have our starting point, we can aim to grow. Let's aim for $100,000. Select a target date for this key result and press Next. Based on the data you input, a key result title will be generated. You can make any adjustments you see fit or add any context. Finally, select the frequency with which you would like to complete check-ins and then create your result. Your key result will be automatically updated every 24 hours with any changes made in the connected Google Sheets cell. You can also complete a check-in on your key result by moving the slider here. Profit.co will automatically provide you with your most recent data from your Google Sheets account. You can now check in using the suggested data and update your status and comment. By integrating Google Sheets with your Profit.co account, check-ins become even more easy, and you can be sure that your OKR progress is precise, up to the minute, and on track.